guys, it's your fave Favorazzia. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be going for a facial. This is my first actual facial. I think this is a professional facial that I'm going to be getting, and I'm just so excited about it. My skin has been going through a lot ever since I gave birth. I want to prep my skin, as in do my own skincare. I know for a fact that they're going to be stripping my face out and doing their own stuff. Still morning here. I think it's like the perfect opportunity for me to like get my face prepped and all that. For me, it's later today in the afternoon, and so yeah. So now I'm gonna let my skin dry so you guys can actually see the dryness in my skin and like my trouble areas with no oils or anything like that. Got this on Shein and it's already pretty much getting damaged. All right, let's get into the moisture. And that is that about my skincare routine, my daytime skincare routine. I used to use the Black Girl sunscreen, but it used to break me out quite a lot, so I have another SPF on the way coming, and we have to wait for that. But for now, my moisturizer will do because it does have SPF in it. See you guys when I am heading out. Is my skin really that horrible? No, I can't even see what I'm doing. My bushy brows. I just now realized I haven't pumped, so I have to pump, and I have to get some work done before I leave the house. And I'm supposed to be leaving the house in like 1 hour, and my pumping session is like 30 minutes. I look like a little bush baby, but I am running so late. At first when I checked this address, it was saying it was like 35 minutes. Now it's like 45 minutes, and I'm guessing it's because of traffic. I'll barely make my appointment. I am trying to rush and go there because this Charlotte traffic is not for anybody. So I'll see you guys when I get there.
just a cleansing step so you can saturate your skin, and it just pulls out any impurities off your surface. Just has
extracting
like your pores that are down here, so it'll help with any type of texture, mainly like oiliness. And a lot of people have clogged pores or like sebaceous filaments around the chin and the nose, and then you do them below the forehead.
Okay, so just the T-zone.
Yeah.
So how often do you think it's good to exfoliate?
I think you should exfoliate at least twice a week. That's like the sweet spot. And then if you feel like you need to exfoliate more, then I would say you might want to incorporate like a retinol, just because that might be more helpful than exfoliating more often, because sometimes exfoliating can cause you to be more dry.
But I cannot use retinol while I'm breastfeeding, correct?
Yeah. So that's what I'm saying. For you, it would just be exfoliants for now, and then once you're done, you can add in a retinol. So we're gonna do the benzoyl peroxide spot treatment for you, and then we're gonna do the azelaic acid and tranexamic acid full face serum. So that'll be something you can use for dark spots and also for acne scarring. And then you'll use the benzoyl peroxide spot treatment and serum for any like active acne you have on your face. It's not going to be as strong as an acid, pretty much.
Okay.
So that's a good starter one. The one I'm going to give you is going to be stronger than that, but it's not going to be the strongest that we have. If that makes sense. It's going to be just a little bit more of a
So
boost.
should I not use them together?
I wouldn't know. Or what you can do is use that in the morning and then use the one that I'm going to give you like at night. The discoloration serum?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're fine. That's just like a low percentage tranexamic acid. So it's just not as strong as the one that I'm going to give you, but it's the same type of ingredient. No, you don't need to use both of them.
I could use the molecules in the day and then the one you're gonna give me at night.
Yeah, you can.
And the one you're giving me is not every night.
So for the ones that I'm giving you, one is a spot treatment for active acne. So you could use that up to 3 times a week. And you would use it at night, and you would use it where you are having the most breakouts. So you would use it like on your chin, your cheeks, maybe your forehead, or you can just use it on a certain acne blemish, right? And then there is one that I'm going to give you that's tranexamic acid and azelaic acid, 6 and 4%. That's one you would use all over the face and neck, and you can use that up to 3 times a week. And again, you would use that one at night. And you use your good molecules, tranexamic acid in the morning. Because that one's just a good, it's a pigment inhibitor. So you want to use that morning and night anyways. Just to help. Like anything that has something to reduce pigment, you want to use at least twice a day. Because that's normally for people of color, that's like their main concern is pigmentation. Oh, yeah. This is just SPF moisturizer and a little bit of our Oxy Trio, which is basically like a pore detoxing cream. And then if you like, you can see everything.
Okay. Thank you. That doesn't look good.
It just helps deep clean your pores. Everybody has something, even when I get them.
Well, I've come to the end of our video. Thanks again for joining me on this video. Leave your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys next time. Ciao. So guys, I am done. I see the hydration, I see the plumpiness. We'll see.